In the lore of the American West, there may be no more storied presence than that of the gray wolf. Canis lupus is both apex predator and historical pariah, a powerful symbol of untamed wilderness and an enduring challenge to man's dominion over nature, or at least as it has been defined by our frontier mythos. Among the gray wolves' ability to influence the systems they inhabit, their infiltration of the human psyche is arguably the most significant, filling our souls with visions at once intimidating and intoxicating. Rarely encountered even by those of us who call ourselves Westerners, they remain perhaps the most polarizing species in the nation, a catalyst for controversy sparked by myths, emotion, and fanaticism. Even as an abstract, clearly we remain infatuated, if not obsessed with wolves. Yet, maybe we have been focused on the wrong myth.